Hello, my name is Jim Penn. I'm the manager of retirement services here at VectorVest, and I would like to take just a moment to invite you to a free webinar I will be hosting called The 3 Most Effective Strategies for Managing Your Retirement Portfolio. Those 3 strategies here at VectorVest are called the 3 Ps of the VectorVest Retirement Investing Model. This model we use, and which has been proven to work, is made up of 3 important concepts. Number 1 is profit. When we talk about profit, you can also think of the word growth or capital appreciation. And the profit side is a plan to grow your portfolio safely and steadily each year. When we talk about provide, think of providing income, a safe, steady system to generate a consistent income as you approach your retirement years. And then finally, and in my opinion most importantly, is the preserve P of the 3 Ps. When you think of preserve, also think of the word protect or insure. It's a way to ensure your net worth when the markets move against you. When we're able to apply the 3 Ps investing model, we believe that you'll be able to achieve that ultimate goal in retirement of peace of mind. So again, we'll use the profit, provide, and preserve method. What this will do is transform your retirement portfolio. We'll start with the profit side. From that roller coaster ride a lot of us take, right? No portfolio, no stock goes straight up. But we'll eliminate that roller coaster ride and transform your portfolio into more of a steady climb on the capital appreciation or the profit side. On the provide side, for a safe, steady income, you'll go from that random dividend stock to having a safe, steady flow of income in retirement. And then finally, preserve. Go from being unprepared and not knowing what to do when the markets move against you to being fully prepared and knowing when to strategically place your insurance and protection on your retirement nest egg. When these strategies are applied correctly, we can look at our profit portfolio, our retirement growth portfolio here in Retirement Services. This portfolio began just about 5 years ago in January of 2017. It's currently up over 205%. And given the chaos in the market recently, you can see that we are in cash and not worried about what's going on currently in the market until the market tells us it's time to get back in. Here in the dividend growth portfolio, when we talk about provide, this is the results we've seen over the last 8 years. Now keep in mind, this is just the capital appreciation. This does not include the nearly $60,000 in dividends we've received. So that growth is up closer to 240%. And even that doesn't include the power of reinvesting those dividends. Along with the provide side of dividend income, we want to also be able to open up a new income stream for you. And so we have a session on selling covered calls, a great way to, again, consistently increase that steady, safe income into your portfolio. And then finally, as I noted earlier, the most important of the 3 Ps, in my opinion, is protecting your assets. So we want to set up for you a strategic defense system so that you can be proactive and protect your net worth. So remember the drawdowns we saw in the growth and in the dividend portfolios? We'll show you how to mitigate those drawdowns and insure your portfolio. And we'll show you how to recognize those strategic times when you must again be proactive. So click the link below and choose the session, and I look forward to having you join us for our 3 most effective strategies for managing your retirement portfolio.